Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, season 9 trailer is officially out, guys, and the poster as well. I'm sure you guys can see on your screens season 9 ukuthi which wife is there. uMangwabe still very much there. uMakhwela, guys, looking all cute lapayana. uMakhomalo looks ingathi udiwe finish. In fact, guys, according to the trailer, wonke umuntu nje udiwe finish, including uMusa Mselegu. Someone was saying that, you know what, it's starting to give vibes ukuthi this thing is scripted, because every season, guys, it just keeps getting worse and worse. Well, whether it's scripted or not, Tina, we are here because the Mselegus are serving the tea hot, you guys. Now, one thing I want us to speak about that I saw on the trailer, uMusa Mselegu is sitting there with someone, it looks like it's a relative or a friend, whoever it is. Kodwa lo muntu is telling uMusa, njengoba ubona amakhosikazi akho ekushiyile, yingoba wena ubanike an option to leave you. Hayibo, guys, shuthi this guy is saying to uMselegu, wena uzenzile by buying your wife's houses. Obviously, if you buy them houses and give them the option to choose, they're gonna wanna stay eMasabapini. No one's gonna wanna stay eMzumbe, you guys. Guys, eMzumbe, as we all know, akunamuntu ogadile. We even see uMusa Mselegu sweeping the house for himself. Bayahleka ke abanye abantu, and they're asking ukuthi now shuthi we must feel sorry for uMusa just because uyashanyela. Kanti kumele kushanyele bani? Whose house is it? Guys, what are your thoughts on what this man was saying to uMusa? Do you think it's right? But I kind of feel like you can't keep putting people in the corner and giving them one option just so that you can get your way. Do you understand what I'm saying? The wives are not robots. The wives have been saying they want houses eMasabapini. So what was uMusa supposed to do? Was he supposed to angabe and say that no, you guys can't have houses in the suburbs because nonke mele nibe lana eMzumbe? These are grown women. But then again, I do think that uMusa could have possibly negotiated with them. Maybe you could have given them funds to upgrade or to renovate their houses eMzumbe. But this thing of taking number 5 is the one that kind of put him in the corner. He was trying to put his wives in the corner. He ended up in the corner because now he wants to bring uSamke eMzumbe, and the wives are not going to do that. So, guys, uzenzile shame. Uzenzile, but hey, kuyabuya, guys, kushubile, because uMusa's even saying ukuthi abangazi mina mese ngidiwe finished ancenga muntu. And it looks like in season 9 it is at that point. Yo, guys, let's pause it there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.